Hello and welcome to the mp3.Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to discover life's answers with mp3.Academy. I'm excited to guide you through how our platform can help you navigate life's many challenges, providing you with the tools and insights you need to find clarity and direction. Whether you're looking for ways to improve your decision-making, manage stress, or align your actions with your values, this episode will introduce you to key strategies that will lead you to a more fulfilling and purpose-driven life. We'll dive into how mp3.Academy is designed to support your personal growth, offering practical solutions that can be applied to your everyday life. So, get comfortable and ready to absorb some valuable content. I invite you to listen attentively, take notes if you like, and think about how these insights can make a real difference in your journey towards discovering life's answers. Life can often feel like a journey filled with questions, uncertainties, and challenges. However, discovering life's answers becomes more attainable when you have the right tools and guidance. mp3.Academy offers a platform designed to provide insightful, practical solutions to some of the most pressing life questions we all face. Whether you're looking for ways to improve your decision-making skills, cultivate resilience, or find balance between work and personal life, mp3.Academy delivers content that guides you through each step of your personal development journey. With its rich library of audio modules, mp3.Academy ensures that you don't just survive life's hurdles, you thrive through them. For our complete list of mp3.Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.Academy. In the shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support mp3.Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, mp3.Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. If you'd like to stay updated with all our new content, simply subscribe to the mp3.Academy YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe option attached to the logo in the bottom right corner of the video. It's that easy. Just hover your mouse over the logo and click the subscribe option. One of the primary ways mp3.Academy helps you discover life's answers is by offering structured and actionable content. Many people seek direction and clarity in their personal and professional lives, and the mp3.Academy audio modules are crafted to provide just that. By focusing on topics such as goal setting, emotional intelligence, and mastering decision-making, the platform helps you not only ask the right questions, but also find effective ways to answer them. Each module is designed with practical application in mind, ensuring that every lesson learned can be immediately put into practice. An important aspect of personal growth is developing a growth mindset, and this is another area where mp3.Academy shines. By embracing the idea that we can continuously learn and improve, you open yourself to new possibilities. The platform offers comprehensive modules that teach the importance of a growth mindset, showing you how to view challenges as opportunities rather than obstacles. These lessons enable you to approach life's questions with a mindset of growth, leading you to solutions that foster long-term success and happiness. mp3.Academy also helps you tackle one of the most common challenges people face, managing stress and maintaining emotional balance. Life's questions often arise from stressful situations, and finding the right answers requires a clear mind. The platform's modules on mindfulness, stress management, and emotional intelligence provide you with the tools to stay calm and focused, even when life gets overwhelming. By enhancing your emotional resilience, you gain the clarity needed to make better decisions and find meaningful answers to your life's challenges. In today's fast-paced world, one of the most critical skills to develop is time management. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the number of tasks we face daily, but mp3.Academy offers strategies to help you prioritize and organize your time effectively. By learning how to allocate your time wisely, you'll not only get more done, but also create space to reflect on the bigger questions in life. Whether you're struggling to balance personal commitments with work or simply looking for ways to be more productive, the time management modules offer practical solutions that lead to better results. Another key to discovering life's answers is building resilience, and mp3.Academy offers numerous resources to help you strengthen this critical skill. Resilience is what allows you to bounce back from failures, adapt to change, and keep moving forward, even when the path seems uncertain. By learning how to cultivate resilience through the platform's targeted modules, you'll be better equipped to handle setbacks and navigate through life's complex challenges with confidence and clarity. When it comes to making important decisions, having a clear sense of purpose can make all the difference. mp3 Academy helps you connect with your core values and understand what truly drives you. Modules that focus on finding your purpose and aligning your actions with your values offer profound insights into how you can live a more intentional and fulfilling life. By discovering your purpose, you're better able to answer life's bigger questions and set meaningful goals that resonate with your inner self. Furthermore, mp3 Academy emphasizes the importance of cultivating creativity and innovation in your approach to problem solving. Often, life's answers aren't immediately obvious and require thinking outside the box. The platform offers techniques for fostering creativity, helping you break free from conventional thought patterns and explore new solutions to familiar problems. By enhancing your creative thinking skills, you'll be able to discover answers that not only resolve immediate challenges, but also open up new possibilities for the future. Another way mp3 Academy helps you find answers is by providing content that improves your communication skills. Life's challenges often involve others, whether in personal relationships or professional settings, and being able to communicate effectively is key to resolving conflicts and finding mutual understanding. Modules on active listening, assertiveness, and empathy equip you with the tools to build stronger connections, helping you answer questions related to interpersonal dynamics and relationship management. At the heart of mp3 Academy is the belief that personal growth is a continuous process. Life's questions are not one-time puzzles to be solved, but ongoing opportunities for learning and self-improvement. The platform's approach is designed to support you throughout this journey, offering guidance and resources at every stage of your development. Whether you're just starting your self-improvement journey or looking to deepen your knowledge, mp3 Academy provides the insights and tools needed to keep you growing and thriving. In conclusion, mp3 Academy helps you thrive in life by offering a comprehensive platform that addresses key aspects of personal growth through life optimization, including stress management, time management, decision-making, and emotional resilience. By providing practical and actionable content through its audio modules, mp3 Academy empowers you to ask the right questions and find meaningful answers. Whether you're seeking clarity on your purpose, improving your emotional well-being, or simply looking to manage life's daily challenges, mp3 Academy is your partner in personal development. Take the next step and discover the answers you've been searching for with mp3 Academy.